Announced on December 19, 2025, the Swedish Armed Forces tasked the Swedish Defence Materiel Administration, or FMV, with procuring modifications for the Army's Pansarterrängbil 203, which is the Swedish designation for the Patria XA 203. Originally delivered to Sweden in the early 2000s, let's examine the plan and the vehicles for today's video. According to a Patria press release, the vehicles will be upgraded with, among other things, what it calls remote weapon station readiness. The modifications will be executed at Patria's facilities in Hämeenlinna, Finland. The project is scheduled to commence in early 2026 and includes modifications of 58 vehicles. Mats Varsted, Vice President of Market Area Nordics at Patria, was quoted as saying, "Sweden's decision to modify Contribee 203 vehicles reflects a strong confidence in Patria's ability to execute complex modifications of heavy armoured vehicles. This contract enhances the capabilities of the Swedish Armed Forces Contribee 203 fleet and aligns with Patria's goal to serve as a strategic partner to both the armed forces and the FMV across the lifespan of delivered products." As mentioned at the introduction, these 6x6 Patria vehicles were first delivered to the Swedish Armed Forces in the early 2000s, making them about 20 to 25 years old. The Patria XA 203, also known as Pasi, was originally designed by the Finnish firm Sisu. Through some mergers and acquisitions, its maker would become the company Sisu Defence, which would later become Patria Vehicles, an entity which would continue to produce the Pasi family of armoured vehicles. In terms of vehicle details, Army Technology says that the vehicle has a total weight capacity of 22,500 kilograms. The Swedish Armed Forces says on its website that the design of the 203A armoured vehicle has been made suitable for international operations and to handle tasks such as escort and surveillance. For example, it's equipped with additional lights, a compressed air horn and an external speaker, as well as a handheld searchlight, illuminated flagpole and work lights at the rear. It's also stated that these vehicles have several electrical outlets both inside and outside, as well as a kettle. Furthermore, the 203A with the Swedish Armed Forces is equipped with fragmentation protection for the gunner, while all vehicles, with the exception of the Medivac version, have a 20mm automatic cannon. These cannons were taken from the Swedish Army's old Pansarbandvagn 302 APCs. This is in contrast to the Finnish version, which has an overhead weapon station turret fitted with a 12.7mm NSV heavy machine gun. Now, we're not sure how much more the Finnish version of the XA203 differs from its Swedish counterpart, but the vehicle's webpage on the Finnish Defence Forces website states that its vehicles accommodate 3 up front, the driver plus 2, as well as 9 in the troop compartment. The page adds that the vehicle has 2 fuel tanks, each holding 145 litres of fuel for a total fuel capacity of 290 litres. And for the Swedish forces, it looks like this isn't the first upgrade/modernization for these vehicles. Indeed, in 2022, Patria was awarded a contract worth approximately €28 million to modernize both Patria XA 202 and 203 wheeled armored vehicles as part of a midlife upgrade project. These upgrades were said to include the engine, chassis, electrical and hydraulic enhancements. The vehicle is not amphibious. The spiritual successor to the Pasi is the Patria 6x6, a 6-wheeled armoured vehicle primarily designed for troop transport but can be configured for other roles. The vehicle, which is amphibious, is the basis for Patria's Common Armoured Vehicle System, or CAVS. The Patria 6x6 in the Swedish military is designated as the Pansarterrängbil 300. So, what do you think of Sweden hanging on to and further upgrading its old XA203s? Let us know by leaving a comment.